Stop scrolling right now, because this is not just a waterfall. This is Niagara Falls, the place where the planet loses its temper, where more than 6 million cubic feet of water explode over the edge, every single minute like the Earth is showing off its strength, where the sound alone can hit 90 decibels, which means nature is literally louder than traffic, louder than your thoughts, louder than anything trying to distract you. And the craziest part is this water never stops. Not at night, not in winter, not during storms. Not ever, because Niagara Falls has been running non-stop for over 12,000 years, carving rock, reshaping land, and casually moving itself backward, 1 inch every year like it's slowly rewriting geography. And while you're standing there feeling small, this thing is powerful enough to generate electricity for millions of homes, turning raw chaos into controlled power, which feels unreal until you remember people once tried to conquer it, going over the falls in barrels, boats and straight-up madness, risking everything for fame, and somehow a few of them survived, making Niagara Falls one of the most dangerous flexes nature allows humans to attempt. And then there's the mist, rising hundreds of feet into the air like the falls are breathing, creating rainbows on demand, sometimes double rainbows, sometimes full circles if you're lucky, like the sky is applauding. And in winter, when everything else freezes solid, Niagara doesn't stop. It just dresses itself in ice while the water underneath still roars like a secret, reminding you that real power doesn't disappear. It waits, and while most people think it's one waterfall, it's actually 3 massive falls working together like a natural super team, stretching across the border of 2 countries, connecting the United States and Canada through pure force, history, and spectacle, watched by over 12 million people every year who all have the same reaction. That sudden silence when your brain realizes photos don't do this justice. Because when you get close, your chest vibrates, your clothes get soaked, your breath catches, and the ground hums like it's alive. And at night when the sun goes down, Niagara Falls doesn't fade, it lights up in wild colors, glowing red, blue, purple, green, like a giant natural nightclub powered by gravity. And during storms, the wind throws the mist sideways, soaking everything in seconds, making it feel like the falls are reaching out. And here's the insane part. If all this water stopped for one day, the Great Lakes system would be thrown into chaos. Shipping routes would collapse, power grids would panic, and ecosystems would shift, which means this isn't just a tourist attraction. It's a working engine of the planet. And when you stand there long enough, soaked, stunned, and smiling, you realize Niagara Falls isn't about water. It's about momentum, about what happens when something keeps moving no matter what, about power that doesn't ask for attention but commands it. And the reason people leave speechless isn't because it's beautiful. It's because it reminds you how small you are, how strong the world is, and how unstoppable anything can be when it refuses to stop flowing.